In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export a Clickup whiteboard, a task that's essential for saving and sharing your creative ideas. Whether you need a hard copy for a meeting, you're archiving your work, or wanting to share it with a broader audience, exporting is a straightforward process in Clickup. So let's walk through this together. First, you need to navigate to the Clickup whiteboard that you intend to export. This might seem obvious, but ensuring you're on the right whiteboard is crucial before proceeding. Once you have the correct whiteboard open, you'll want to locate the three-dot icon. Typically, you'll find this icon in the upper right corner of the whiteboard interface. Clicking on it will reveal a menu with several options, one of them being Export. Now comes the important choice. You'll have the option to export your whiteboard in different formats: PDF, PNG, or JPG. The format you choose depends on your needs. If you're planning to print your whiteboard or share it as a formal document, the PDF format is ideal. Its document-like structure preserves the layout and details, making it perfect for sharing. On the other hand, if you're looking to maintain optimal image quality, especially for those intricately detailed whiteboards, exporting as a PNG could be the best route. This format is renowned for maintaining high resolution, which is great for clarity. Lastly, there's the JPG format. It's excellent for online sharing or embedding the whiteboard into web pages, often resulting in smaller file sizes without sacrificing too much quality. After selecting your preferred format, Clickup will get to work processing your request. Typically, you'll receive a download link, or the file may automatically begin downloading to your computer. This part of the process is quite user-friendly and quick. However, it's always a smart move to verify that the file has been exported correctly. Open it up, check the resolution, and ensure everything is just as you expected. This step is vital for confirming the success of your export. An additional tip: Clickup offers a nifty feature that allows you to right-click on the whiteboard and select Export as Image, which will save it as a PNG file. It's a handy shortcut for those who frequently work with image exports. Also, with the Whiteboard's 3.0 update, Clickup enhanced its export capabilities, including the ability to export directly to PDF and other formats. And if you ever encounter any issues or have suggestions for future functionalities, don't hesitate to submit a feature request to Clickup. They're always working to improve and would appreciate your input. With these steps, you're now ready to efficiently export your Clickup whiteboard.